The conscious repetition of information in order to maintain it in memory is called dash. The B answer is correct answer, rehearsal. Rehearsal. Retroactive interference involves the disruption of dash. The C answer is correct answer, retrieval. Retrieval. Performance of an earlier task is interfered with by the learning of a second, more recent task in dash. The D answer is correct answer, retroactive inhibition. 1 is a bun, 2 is a shoes, 3 is 3, 4 is a door. This is part of dash method of improving memory. Pitch word. Pitch word. The C answer is the correct answer. D, sorry. The tip of tongue phenomenon is due to a difficulty in dash. The C answer is correct answer, retrieval. Retrieval. Which memory holds a large amount of information for about 2 seconds? The B answer is correct answer, ischemic memory. Ischemic memory. The process of getting information out of memory storage is called dash. The C answer is correct answer, retrieval. Retrieval. The method of Lucy is an example of dash. The C answer is correct answer, a mnemonic. A mnemonic. The C answer is correct answer. In contrast to a dissimilar items list, a similar item list is dash. More difficult to learn. More difficult to learn. A answer is the correct answer. The process of encoding reference to dash. The C answer is correct answer, getting information into memory. Getting information into memory.